This is how to fix a power cord on a Dyson vacuum. As you can see, the power cord is epoxied, and I'll show you how I did that with this JB Weld epoxy. So here's how to do it. You first of all get the JB epoxy and you mix equal amounts on a piece of paper. Then you take a straw, and I simply cut the straw like this, and you cut the straw down the middle. And then what I did was I put the epoxy onto this cord. Just lay the epoxy on there until it covers the whole thing and a little bit of the top. Take your straw and put it on the epoxy, and like that. Let it dry overnight and you'll have a beautiful strong cord in the morning. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.